Got a good thing coming, and it's all I need. Everything I wanted, it's in front of me. Stuck it up in the dark, sun is shining over me. I got a good thing coming, just wait and see. It's a good, good.
Allow me to celebrate this momentous event and take you back down memory lane. Welcome back to Malabon National High School, batch 2004!
Welcome, class of 2004! One batch, one goal!
There ain't nothing like this right here. Got me seeing things crystal clear. So high, I can fly from all. It's gonna lift me up. There's a fire underneath my feet. Got me rolling like a river deep. Let it flow, cause I know with my soul to lift me up.
Bagamat marami na ang nawala sa paaralan, pero tingnan nyo naman yung paligid nyo. Napakaganda ng school, di ba? Alam ko yung dunong na naitanim ng mga guro ninyo sa inyo, yun ang hindi mawawala sa inyo at hindi nyo makakalimutan. Wala nang naipagmamalaki pa ang isang guro na makita ang kanilang mga mag-aaral na isang desente at mabuting mamamayan. Muli po, magandang hapon at maligayang pagbabalik sa Malabon National High School.
Alam ko na may mga kanya-kanya na tayong buhay, trabaho, pamilya, and then career. Pero nandito pa rin kayo, nag-spend kayo ng konting oras para makapunta dito sa ating grand reunion.
Contagious, gonna catch it if you know what I mean. It's outrageous when you see it, gonna make you believe. It's contagious, gonna catch it if you know what I mean.
Ayan, so ano mo yung pinaka-favorite ko talaga or fondest memory ko nung high school tayo? Yung pumapasok tayo na naka-chinelas tsaka naka-short. Kasi laging high tide pagpapasok. So pagdating mo ng school, tsaka pa lang papalit ng uniform mo. Pag umaga umuulan, automatic, wala kaming pasok. So dahil dyan, sana na-trigger yung mga memories niyo nung high school tayo. So what we can say, welcome back class of 2004!
An alumni meet is the perfect platform for you to meet your peers and teachers. As you reconnect with old friends, reminisce about your time here and see how much you have grown. Remember that you are an integral part of our history and future. Your achievements and contributions continue to inspire current students and strengthen our community.
There's no reason to fight this feeling, 'cause I love this life. Yeah, feels alright. And there's no reason to stop believing, 'cause I love this life. And the future's bright. And there's no reason to
And I believe you guys have more inspiring stories to tell than me. So this stage is for all of you po. At the end of this day, we have the same goal, and that is to get together, be here for each other in the decades to come, even though 2 decades have already passed, and most importantly, to look back and give back to the institution that shaped our very existence, and that's Malabon National High School.
yeah, feels alright.
Happy kami ngayon kasi parang napaka-nostalgic for how many years. Ngayon lang ulit kami nakarating dito. Saka nakita namin mga old friends, classmates, saka syempre itong alma mater natin sa Malabon.
This life, yeah, love this life.
You sharing your wisdom, your expertise, your skills. Malaking bagay yan para sa ating mga learners. Sana ay makatuwang namin kayo sa patuloy na pagsisikap na mapayabong ang MNHS. Sama-sama tayong lahat para sa isang bansang makabata at batang makabansa. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat.
Tinatanggap namin ang hamon na magtagumpay sa anumang larangan, nandoon ang bawat isa, at mas maging maagap sa pagtugon sa pangangailangan ng sinta nating paaralan. Ready na po kami. We are accepting the challenge.